Okay, we're going to talk about Emerald here, but we'll load up Compez to dress up the desktop a little bit. So, first of all, we're going to change a few things here. And we'll pick Auto Hide, and we'll change to solid color and leave it transparent. Okay. And down here we'll add a couple more desktops. Okay. And we'll change this properties of this with background, and we'll make it transparent too by picking solid color. And we're not going to auto hide it. Okay, I already had my Sims dock up here, and you can right mouse button click on it and check its settings out. I get rid of automatic positioning. And if you close it and restart it, it should show the changes. And it always comes up with that warning because it just doesn't have the Firefox image. I might see if I can fix that a little later. And we'll look at some of the other settings. The border is basically the size of the thing, where it appears and all that, and the appearance, background height, path, and pre-scaling and preflex transparency. And we'll get out of that. Okay. Now we'll come up here to System, and we'll be installing Emerald, but in doing so we'll also install Compez, which I already have installed, but you get it by going to Administration, Synaptic, Package Manager, be prompted for your password. Okay, this is the Synaptic Package Manager. It's always a good idea to come up here and pick Reload. It'll go out and get the new list packages of software packages. And it takes a little bit of time for this quick search to come back up. If it's the first time, it may take longer. And type in Compez. And you see all these packages. The green box indicates that this package has been loaded already. And you see here's one that hasn't been loaded. So if you right mouse button click on it, it'll tell you a little bit about it. And right mouse button click and come up and pick Mark for installation if you want to install it. I'm not going to. And there's quite a few packages I've selected that you may want to consider. We'll get back to using these. Fusion icon, we're going to use that. And there's Emerald. It comes in this Compez package too. So those are the first ones we're going to be using here. But I'd load them all. So to get the packages, the themes, we'll go out to the Compez community website, which I already have bookmarked here. And here you got a selection of various themes and wallpaper and such as that. So you can go down. I go out and pick the highest rated. And I already have the radial installed, but we'll go down here and want to change it to this hybrid gray. and you can view a blow up of it if you want to get a better idea of what you're going to be looking like. That will be your border. We'll go up there. Okay. So you just pick download. And it takes a moment to come up. And so I'm going to save the file. I always like to save them. You could directly have it open it. And double click on this and pick open. And this is the Emerald Theme Manager that you could have selected from under the Systems Administrator Tools, Preferences. Pick download. There's the Hypergrade. Just double click it, or just pick it and pick open. Either way it'll work. And there it is. Okay. So in order for these to work, you got to use the Fusion icon to pick a Windows Manager, which is located under Applications and under Systems Tools. And when you pick that, you'll notice up in your header panel you have this little icon, which you'll right mouse button click, go down and select Windows Decorator, and over and select Emerald. And momentarily it'll pop up there. That's the one I already have installed, the Radial theme. And we're going to switch to this one, so we'll just double click on it, and you notice that it has changed just that quick. So that's one thing that's kind of interesting. And I'll close these windows out. Oh well, we can pick up some wallpaper while we're here. And I kind of like this theme right here, so we'll just select that and pick it in our 1024 by 768 is the desktop size I'm using. And it takes us to it. And you can click on it and save it. And I save it in my pictures. That's where I usually keep them. And there it is. You can close these windows out just so you can see what it is we're going to do. And so you go up here to System, and then Preferences, and then Appearance. In Appearance, you can just pick Background, and go down and pick Add, and then you'll be able to select the image that you just downloaded from Pictures, which I have right there. Okay, so just pick Open, or you could have double clicked, and there it is. Your background is already set. So now we'll pick Visual Effects, and you'll notice Custom Set Effects is only there if you've already installed the Compez package. And this Preferences button out here at the end is the small CMU. This is a Compez package manager. This is the smaller, quicker to use one. It doesn't have nearly all the settings, and it doesn't give you the descriptions as well as in the actual Compez package manager, which we'll look at now.